Welcome back. Have you noticed that your skin maybe is acting up a little bit since you've been quarantined? Well, this morning we are talking to a Valley dermatologist on how to keep your skin clear, looking nice. We're talking about Dr. Michelle Hure with OC SkinLab, who is joining us this morning with more. Good morning, doctor.
Hi, how are you?
Very good, very good. Now, we are all cooped up these days. How is just being indoors and not moving around so much impacting the skin?
So first of all, everyone is indoors and they're eating a lot and they're probably drinking a lot, and the food they're eating is probably more of a processed food or maybe higher glycemic index. So really we're seeing a lot of redness and inflammation and dull skin, and all of the stress actually of being in quarantine is leading to a lot of skin problems as well. So worsening of acne and other issues like psoriasis or eczema. So right now it's like a triple whammy: the food, the alcohol, and the stress.
Wow. Okay. So what are some of the things that we can do while still being at home that's going to help out with these things and take maybe reducing stress out of the equation?
Yeah, and that's really the biggest one. But yeah, so you definitely want to use this time to sort of actually pare down what you're doing to your skin. I think a lot of people are like, well, I've got lots of time, so let's try that 12-step K-beauty that I read about online.
Okay.
That might not be the best thing to do right now. So right now is a good time to go through your products and actually purge things that you don't necessarily need or may be harmful for you. So you want to actually use products that are very gentle on your skin right now. Your skin barrier is broken down because of all the things that we're doing to it and all the stress. So you definitely want to use things that are gentle. Don't overly strip your skin with exfoliators or any sort of, scrubbing action. Not a lot of fragrance, not a lot of ingredients that could be harmful, like an essential oil or something like that, which might be calming, but it may not be the best for our skin.
Got it. Now, doctor, a
Yeah,
lot of people are on those Zoom calls, all day long, but perhaps
yeah.
maybe we had a few too many glasses of wine, maybe something else the night before. What can we do immediately after to kind of, get a refreshed look or maybe at least lessen the impacts of what we did the night before?
Exactly. So definitely hydrate as much as you can. So for every glass of alcohol you have, try to have another glass of water. And then honestly, pick the alcohol that might be the best thing to have. So if you're gonna
Okay.
drink, maybe try to drink something that's not colored or maybe not red wine. Wine actually tends to have a lot of sugar in it, especially white wine. So the sugar is actually going to lead to a lot of inflammation too. So maybe a shot of tequila or something. I'm not advocating
All
for drinking, but
right.
something that's more of a clear alcohol without a lot of sugar, a lot of hydration, and then sleep maybe on an extra pillow so you're not as puffy.
Got it.
Um, yeah, there's a couple of things that you can do, but honestly, the hydration and not having more than maybe one drink would be best.
Okay, good advice. And then you mentioned, stress being one of those number one things we really need to all reduce stress. So I assume that's probably one of your biggest tips.
Yeah, definitely. So find something that tries to, I know it's kind of crazy to say, but something that tries to decrease your stress. I mean, there are actually a lot of apps now for meditation. And honestly, even though most doctors' offices are closed, this is a perfect time to take the opportunity to do a telemedicine phone call with a board certified physician or dermatologist and get on a regimen. You can have prescriptions sent to your home now, and you can get on the right skincare regimen. And this is a great time to do it because you don't have to go out in front of people a lot. And a Zoom call can actually hide a lot. So it's a good opportunity to call your doctor and get on the right skin regimen.
Great. Dr. Hure, thank you so much for your information this morning. We'll see you again. Troy? Tequila.
Tequila, prescription?
Well, I think she prescribed that to us this morning.
She's a doctor.
What are we?
Are we going to
we
argue
can't
with
fight
a
it.
medical
No,
professional?
not at
No,
all.
those are great.